getting the lemon juice and all that stuff in there. This is a cornucopia of deliciousness and flavor. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and just take a moment to do that. And now, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and place this bird in the big blue roaster in order to, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and get ready to cook it. So now we're stuffing the bird with some of those onions and peppers and celery and all those good flavors and herbs and all of that. And now we're gonna tie her on up, tie the legs on up, you know what I'm saying, so that it's a lot easier to cook it that way, it seems, and it holds in all that flavor and all the veggies that you put into the cavity. So giving it a nice tie. And you know, like I say, if you can't, if at first you don't succeed, try again. You feel. We've gone ahead and added all the veggies and the lemon and all that, and I'm gonna add some water to the bowl, y'all, and then that water is gonna take the rest of the marinade with it, which is gonna create a bomb pot liquor. Okay, all that flavor, all that fat that's gonna come off of the bird itself, all of that is gonna translate into beautiful flavor, and you can use that jus for dressing. I added a little bit more salt just to make sure that things are seasoned properly, you know, not going overboard, but just making sure things are seasoned properly. But let me tell y'all, so that juice is going to turn into something that you could put noodles, rice, you could do dressing, whatever. It's fantastic. All right, so now look at this turkey. Oh my God. Moment of silence, please. Just woo-hoo. I know that you guys saw that meat just fall clean off that bone like that. We got some collard greens, we got some cabbage in there. Oh my God, seasonings, those greens, and remembering how they tasted, they were just immaculately delicious. Whew, child, you talking about delicious? Oh, look at that broth. It's healing in that broth, y'all. Healing. Oh, it's healing in that broth. And that meat was so tender and delicious. Not too salty. Baby, back. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and just, I told y'all what I tell you about that juice. What I tell y'all about that broth. What I tell you about it. You know what I'm saying? The bird looked so yummy and golden, and it was so delicious, y'all. You talking about juicy, tender meat. When I untied the legs, it all fell apart. Like, it was just like, boom, like, look at that. And you can easily take all those veggies and that jus, put it with some cornbread. You got some bomb ass dressing, which I do have some bomb cornbread right there, but I didn't make dressing this time. And here's the plate up, y'all. Look at those beautiful greens. Oh my God, with that tender smoked turkey, because I don't do the pork thing. I don't do the pork. You ain't talking about I'm cool on all that, but look at the tenderness of that turkey, and it was just so full of just flavor. Look at that look at that macaroni and cheese. We baked that, y'all. One day I'm gonna do a video for that macaroni and cheese. I mean, it's just so yummy, and it's not just one note flavor, you know. And look at that, woo, with macaroni and cheese and sweet potatoes collide, baby. Yes. Look at how tender that is. It just all off the bone. What bone? What bone? Ain't no bone. Ooh, that was so juicy. Look at that. And they say that chicken breast is, you know, supposed to be dry, whatever. Not these chicken titties. These chicken titties juicy. I had some coleslaw. I didn't make that coleslaw. That coleslaw came from the store, and it was delicious, but I like the one I make better. And then I'm gonna go back and get some more of that mac and those yams, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit more of that turkey and greens. Oh my God, y'all, amazing. Alright, y'all, thanks for coming through and vibing once again with your girl Q. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys use this spice rub and seasoning mix on your next bird or whatever you want to put it on. It will turn out succulent, delicious, and amazing for y'all. All right. Thanks, guys, again for coming through. Y'all stay safe. Stay safe. It's safer in the house, but if you got to go on outside, please make sure you're wearing a mask. Wash your hands thoroughly, because I care about y'all. Much love from your girl Q. Until next time, bye-bye. Can't wait.